Honorable Sadguru Madhusudan Sai Ji, Excellencies, University of Human Excellence, faculty members, young students, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I must apologize that I'm unable to connect with you. Physically, I'm not present, but through virtual modes, I'm trying to connect with all of you. Suddenly, some important event cropped up in Delhi, because of which I had to stay back. I was really looking forward to coming to the ashram. My heartfelt apologies. World over, there is a rising turmoil and increasing chances of conflicts everywhere. The world has also been facing terrorism for the last 40 years. Numerous countries are devastated by terrorism. There are also countries that are developed and have become more prosperous than before, including India. However, in these developed countries, there is lack of inner happiness in people due to different kinds of challenges, tensions, and tremendous work pressure. Therefore, be it in war-ravaged states, terror-ravaged regions, or in top cities of the world, it is the sheer lack of spirituality and absence of inner conscience that is making this world an unhappy place. This means development of spirituality and inner happiness, along with the gain of knowledge, is equally crucial at the same time. It is in this perspective that India has a big role to play in bringing peace across the world together. By spreading the messages of spirituality, and educational institutions like Satya Sai University have gotten a very big role to play in becoming the flag bearers of India's message of spirituality and well-being to the world. Also, we are increasingly witnessing a propensity among young people to commit suicide for extremely frivolous reasons. Development of spirituality, practice of yoga and meditation, as well as development of inner conscience are the key to creation of responsible young citizens who would value their own lives and take care of the society and build this nation as well. This is where Sri Satya Sai Institute preaching of Sri Satya Sai and that of many spiritual gurus of India have made India the Vishwa Guru of the world in spreading the message of peace, harmony and happiness. Ministry of Culture and Ministry of External Affairs have been working extensively as part of the government to nurture and promote the cultural uniqueness of India and make people take pride in them and work towards development of a new India spiritually, economically and militarily. The unique education system of Sri Satya Sai Institutes, the culture of Gurukul system, has to be spread across the country for reviving and preserving the nation's spiritual heritage, even as India moves ahead to emerge as one of the world's most influential country economically and military powerhouse. As we strive for the moon and the Mars, we also need to deeply connect once again with our spiritual heritage and philosophies to have a better understanding of the world and the essence of being born as an Indian. For India's cultural and spiritual integration and to connect with the people of India, Ministry of Culture have put forth its best efforts in reviving our ancient history about the unsung revolutionaries for whom we all are living free and independent lives by ideating and executing Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, where Bharat Ki Kahani Meenakshi Lekhi Ki Zubani has been implemented through various new age digital platforms to reach and inspire as many people, especially the youth of this country, to connect with the forgotten history of sacrifices which made this country. Under the leadership of PM Narendra Modi, India has been successful in imparting the idea of health first through our ancient process of yoga that helps in attaining good health physically, mentally and spiritually, and purposefully it is the preventive healthcare system. We have conducted yoga on a pan-India basis And now International Yoga Day is celebrated across the world annually on 21st of June since 2015, following its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. Glad to learn about the vision of Sri Satya Sai Associations that focuses on healthcare, nutrition and education. Sri Satya Sai's Annapurna breakfast program serves free morning breakfast to about 5 lakh children across 6,500 government centers in 17 states and 3 union territories. I laud the services of Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukul that imparts free education to 5,000 young children through its 26 campuses and 40 institutions set in the rural hinterland. This government equally gives significant importance to education to children. Thus, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan was pioneered by former Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee to educate children of India, and not only that, we seek to address the issues of hunger and education in schools by serving hot cooked meals and improving the nutritional status of school children, enrollment, attendance and retention rates. The government has also institutionalized the new education policy that aims to increase the GER, that is gross enrollment ratio, from 26.3% to 50%. This policy is striving to increase the number of students studying in higher education and expanding the number of university places across nation. I laud the endeavors of Sri Satya Sai Sanjeevani Child Heart Care Centers that treat heart diseases of children and have done approximately 100,000 interventions free of cost. Government of India also have launched Ayushman Bharat Yojana, launched in 2018, which is a national health protection scheme, which will cover over 50 crore poorest and vulnerable beneficiaries, providing coverage up to 5 lakh rupees per family per year for secondary and tertiary care hospitalization. The beneficiaries can avail benefits in both public and empaneled private facilities. Government of India have supported the people of this country. During pandemic, Government of India distributed close to 80 crore people of additional ration to the people of this country. Free vaccines were administered to the entire population of India, much ahead of many other countries. It is still being administered free of cost at government centers and capped at a nominal rate at private ones. Close to 2 billion doses is what India has achieved recently. More medical institutions and aims will be opening across India. I am elated to learn that Sri Satya Sai University is gearing up to establish India's first totally free education in medical college in Satya Sai Grama, Mudanhali, Karnataka. I wish you all the very best in this noble endeavor. Om Sai Ram.